In the last episode, we travelled all the way across the country and we finally made it to South Australia. Today, we hit the track at JDM X Park for some drifting, and we wrap up our final dead drift commitments before heading back home to Tassie.
Holla, why do they doubt the kid? I'm about to prove them all wrong again. I got a low tolerance, cause they don't even know what the problem is. It's me. You waiting on the boy to fail, then hold your breath and face your death. Cause you play a roulette with each step I progress, no less. Go ahead and place your bets, cause we know where we at, we know we top.
Oh, 6:30 a.m. Definitely not enough sleep. Didn't get to bed till 1:30. Feeling a bit average, but it's all good. 3-hour drive. Done most of the pack up last night, so we've got the truck and trailer. Kids will hop in. Danielle's got breakfast all cooked for them already, and yeah, head to the track. So let's go. We've made it here. I've only seen videos of this place, so go give someone money and then do some drifting. Come on, boys. Alright, so pump the tyres up. Oh, I should just check the water and oil. I haven't seen any leaks, so it should still be in there. And then we'll go out and give her a rip. I'll give the phone to Danielle so she can film from the outside. Got the GoPro. Let's do it. Hey, thanks, bro.
You just keep going.
Anywhere.
I don't think I did the same lap twice.
Never. Never.
I'm gonna slow. I'm gonna.
You can spend 6 minutes out there and not do the same pass.
We're gonna let the tyres cool down, otherwise.
Nowhere like it, dude. Nowhere like it.
That was so sick. All right, do some more laps. Go out with Danielle. I don't think we'll stay super late. I'm like super content already. I've probably done 10 laps. Do some more and then pack up. Very close to the wall.
That oh, no, that was the only time I was like, ooh. I loved it.
Hunter was amazed.
Was he?
Yeah, he's like, oh, mouth open.
I went. I'm gonna change some tyres. Take this over, get the new tyres, bring them back. Do 2 more sessions, skip the last. Flies are like, I don't know how people survive in areas like this. How the flies going? Just swap some tyres, go out for 2 more sessions, skip the last, I reckon. Then go home. 3-hour drive. Love to be home by 5 or 6.
excited.
In the car.
Yeah, a few cable ties. She will need a bit of love, but it'll do. We've got one more school to get to in Melbourne, so I'll be leaving this car in Melbourne, but taking the truck and trailer home. So when I come back, I've got to drive this one to school. So that's not too bad though. I can drift stitch this up. I'll fix it up a bit later. It's kind of cool actually. She's got a few marks, but she's going back in the trailer in one piece. Using our spare 20 to get to the next servo on the way back. Should be fine. We're like halfway back in the middle of nowhere, filling up the truck, and then we will keep going. Good old truck stopped in. I've still got like an hour and a bit drive, but the kids have slept, so they're not going to go to sleep anytime soon. So we are just chilling on the way home, aren't we, boy? And they all need a shower. They all look like little grots. All right, we're back. Just a bare bones setup. Won't bother getting much out because all we're doing is sleeping tonight, church tomorrow, sleep again, and then we go. So back nice and safe, all sorted, super easy. Traffic is good, all that stuff. So shower and bed.